Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into how to allow microphone access on Gmail using your PC following the latest updates. This is especially useful for those of you wanting to use voice messages or video calls directly through Gmail. So, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can proceed with the settings adjustments. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, take a look at the web address bar. Next to the URL, you'll see a small icon that represents site information. This could be a lock or an info icon. Click on that View Site Information option. This will open up a detailed view of permissions and settings for the website. Now, it's time to dive into the details. Click on Site Settings to access the specific permissions for Gmail. Here, you'll find a list of permissions that you can manage, including camera, location, and of course the microphone. Look for the section labeled Permissions. Here, you'll see the microphone settings. If you notice that the microphone is blocked, simply select the option to enable it. This will allow Gmail to access your microphone for any voice-related features you wish to use. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled microphone access on Gmail from your PC. Remember, this update is designed to enhance your experience, making communication even easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thank you for watching.